Hi, I'm Alicia Smith with F&S Building Innovations, and this is your home. We're here today at a garage. Clients came to us and they needed a larger garage and also additional storage space, so we decided to combine the two. We gave them a beautiful garage with a covered patio and a huge bonus storage area above. Let's go check out what we did. So the garage in the existing house had really small garage doors, which was hard because they had big vehicles. This one has large garage doors, plenty of storage space, and a huge bonus storage space above. Let's go check that out. So we were able to incorporate this huge bonus room storage space above the garage, which gives them plenty of room to store all of their extra items that they don't need all the time. But they've also got a space in the future if they want to add an in-law suite or just a cool man cave to come and hang out. When these folks came to us, they wanted a really pretty garage. We were able to give that to them along with this great covered patio and additional storage on the back. Sometimes you face construction challenges that you don't necessarily anticipate. One of the construction challenges on this job was the foundation. This project had a really steep driveway. We had to pump the concrete up over 120 yards, 100 feet up, and 250 feet from the road. That's a challenge.